Ashley is scrubbing an elephant.
We are on our way to Khao National Park. I don't think we've mentioned this so far, but this whole trip was all organized by Selective Asia, which we will link down below. They were fantastic. For those of you that know me, I am big into planning and I stress about everything. Graham just lets me take control. For our honeymoon, I wanted to do something different. I didn't want to have to stress about every minor detail. So it's been so nice. Have it like when we show up at the airport, somebody's there to pick us up. They helped us pick these wonderful hotels that we've been staying at. They organized like our fantastic tour guide in Cambodia. We really liked him.
Sopun.
Company actually arranged a little bit, you know, like the snack.
Very good.
Awesome.
Yeah, he was awesome. Very nice guy.
And they also organized for this whole Elephant Hills trip as well. So we're very happy with their services. We cannot say enough good things about them. So thank you, Nick, at Selective Asia.
So Ashley, what will your final meal be?
Solid breakfast, yo.
Salad breakfast?
It's solid.
It's salad.
Solid. Goodbye, beautiful beach view.
Take good care. Abiento. A la próxima. Bye-bye. Goodbye, French Thai guy. That guy was really nice.
Yeah, he was. A lot of people here.
No, only that guy was nice. We're just waiting for our luggage and then we're going to take the 3-hour trip to Elephant Hills. So we have arrived. We're just waiting for our room. And Ashley is right there. I think something's wrong with her. So something happened during the trip from Sala to.
Oh, yeah. Really hard to do that one-handed. Here's our room. Oh, nice. We can get our laundry done.
Ashley has lost her mind. I think I said that earlier, right?
Oh, that's my alarm to go. He's like, I don't like you guys. I'm gonna go chill somewhere else.
Just getting tired from that boat ride. We took a video, a selfie video, so we were able to recognize the gentleman who gave us the boat ride and we were able to accurately give a tip. And plus, he came back to us as well.
So that's very smart.
He was roaming around, so I think that probably helps out as well. If you're a boat driver in Thailand, come back to your customers because they'll give you a tip. Tell the world, why are you excited? Tell the 2 people that are going to watch.
The 2 people.
Why are you excited?
Hey, 2 people. I love that. Somebody's hungry. He's reaching for the food.
Looks good.
He's doing the motion. Like, this goes in my mouth.
In case you didn't know, this goes in here.
He's like, see that there?
They're giving us a more difficult time when we have to watch them. They're gonna really make themselves dirty. That's boats get really dirty, so these tours can wash us. Yeah, this one's having a great time over here. I don't know, I think she's gonna win. I think she's bigger. Experience, like watching the elephants and bathing them and feeding them and that sort of thing. So Ashley, what was the verdict? What's the review?
I've never done.
Really? But I mean,
I'm supposed to get married.
you just married me like a week ago, so gee, that didn't last long.
This time already, eh?
No. We still have 40 seconds.
Less than 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen.
1 minute
To the new year,
to our empty room. Woo. You ready?
I finished my old beer. Bring in the new beer. Show us 30. Show us 30. Oh, now you take it away, you bitch.
เป็นภาพที่สวยงามมากเลยนะคะ
Happy New Year. Say Happy New Year. 19, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11,
10, 9, 8, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very underwhelming. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Graham.
Happy New Year, baby.
Did you kiss your screen or your actual lips?
We actually kissed each
Okay,
other.
good, because I didn't know if that was in California. But my iPad will kiss your iPad. Yeah.
By far, this is the weirdest place that I've ever edited video.